Hey there, YouTube people. I'm making this video here on May the 20th, early Wednesday morning. These here is my custom, beautiful Hot Wheels rebodied monster trucks that I paint the links up on. They're awesome. This here is one of my favorite. The body fit just perfect. I had to do a little bit of trimming to the roll cage, but with the chrome wheels, and I painted the roll cage, the shocks up, and the way the bed was already cut out, ready to look like for the roll cage. Just thought I'd post these trucks over and over, since my Hot Wheels video just goes so viral, and people just loves it when I do them. I get so many views, they go viral. So I just figured I'd post them again. Oh man, just look at these beauties. Oh, they're just beautiful eye candy. Thanks for watching.